Welcome in ABM Tech is pleased to greet you. For watching this video today we will show some amazing and useful technologies, so if you're ready to get started, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, and like the video. ONE product Smart Glasses. Xiaomi see the world in a more high-tech way with the Xiaomi Smart Glasses. This wearable allows you to put down your phone while still gaining access to the online world. In fact, the Xiaomi Smart Glasses display messages and notifications, make calls, capture images, and translate text. To prevent an abundance of notifications, they select and push the most essential ones first. So you'll receive urgent information from the office or alerts from your home security system before anything else. Adopting micro-LED imaging technology, these glasses remain lightweight while ensuring brighter colors and deeper blacks. You'll also receive a compact display for easier screen integration. Furthermore, they have a display chip that measures only 2.4 by 2.02 mm, allowing enough light to transmit to the human eye even in low light conditions. These high-tech glasses have a peak brightness of 2 million nits for a colorful display. 2 Product Thegenano T1 Underwater Drone. Thegenano T1 Underwater Drone is a consumer-grade gadget equipped with a robotic arm for movement. Use a remote control to navigate this gadget in water for real-time streaming. Therefore, it's great for undersea detection for viewing, recording, and fishing up to 150 meters deep. This underwater drone lets you explore the unknown and capture images with its high-quality 4K camera. Also, its 1080p HD view ensures that the results are clear and high quality. This gadget comes with plenty of features for great shots. This includes a long battery life for up to 4 hours of use. The 3 speed levels allow you to be fully in control at all times. It automatically hovers to capture stable shots, no matter the conditions. 3 Product Amazon Astro Household Robot. Moving autonomously around your home, it's amazing what the Amazon Astro Household Robot can do. This new smart home robot offers Amazon Alexa voice control, artificial intelligence, advanced hardware and software, and computer vision. Additionally, the periscope camera rises up to 42 inches above the floor. This lets you view what it sees through live view in the app. So send the Astro to see what's going on in a room. Moreover, you can expand the periscope cam's field of view to see details, like whether or not you left the stove on. Furthermore, an ideal device to help with in-home care, Astro pairs with Alexa together to help older adults or those who are ill live independently. Built with privacy features like Do Not Disturb and out-of-bound zones, it keeps your space and information. 4 Products. Ring Security Drone Always Home Cam. Patrolling your entire property, the Ring Always Home Cam security drone combines a Ring camera mounted on an autonomous drone. It can move about and record images around your home. So, when you're not at home, simply press a button in the Ring app. It then flies a pre-planned route, or you can set it to fly a route in response to a triggered event, like a trip door alarm sensor. In that case, you can watch its recordings live through the Ring app. It replaces multiple outdoor cams that you might mount in different spots on your house. Made with collision-avoidant technology, it can reach tight spaces without hitting anything. Plus, it flies only on predetermined paths, even when you're controlling it. To ease privacy concerns, it hums loudly while flying so people around it know it's recording. 5 Products. Microsoft Surface Duo 25G dual-screen smartphone. Offering more features than it seems possible, the Microsoft Surface Duo 25G dual-screen smartphone is so much more than a phone. With 2 screens, it also boasts a dynamic triple-lens rear-facing camera. This includes a 12MP wide lens, a 12MP telephoto lens, and a 16MP ultra-wide lens. Also delivering 5G connectivity, this device works with Wi-Fi 6 as well as Bluetooth 5.1. This provides super fast connections in any setting. No matter the mode you use it in, it'll provide optimized audio too. And the dual-screen design makes it great for whatever you're doing, whether it's in Microsoft 365's box gaming. The 2 high-resolution PixelSense Fusion displays each measure 5.8 inches and open to a large 8.3 inches when they work together. You'll love the revolutionary hinge, which can help you get anything done, wherever you are. 6 Products. Vava Chroma. Altising the Vava Chroma ALPD 4.0 triple laser projector. You can watch your favorite movies and shows in theater-like quality. With red, blue, and green laser light sources, Vava Chroma delivers an incredible 106% rec. 20/20 color range and accuracy. This is superior to the color gamut of top movie theaters. It not only has an extremely short throw range of only 7.2 inches, but it also has ALPD 4.0 True Cinematic Quality. And when you place it only 7.2 inches from the wall, you still get a 100-inch projection. Moreover, this projector has a lamp life of 25,000 hours and boasts HDR10 quality. You'll be amazed by the huge 150-inch display and 2,500 ANSI lumens of brightness. But that's not all, because it also has 60W Harman Kardon speakers and Alexa voice control for easy navigation and connectivity with your whole home. Delivering 4K UHD resolution, it provides super clear details. 7 products. Ergonomic Carpio 2.0. Using a computer for hours every day can increase your chances of developing wrist pain. The Carpio 2.0 is an ergonomic accessory that helps you boost your productivity while reducing the risk of developing wrist injuries. Unlike conventional wrist rests, Carpio has PTFE, Teflon, feet. So it glides together with your hand and allows your arm to move naturally. The ergonomic shape of the contoured pads was designed together with physicians, offering a balance between comfort and stability. Coming with a designated velvet pouch. 8 products. Nothing earbuds. 1. Relax, exercise, and work all while wearing the Nothing Ear. 1. Lightweight earbuds. These earbuds use clear voice technology and 3 HD microphones that create a sensation as if the sound is being directed straight at your ears. Use them for answering important phone calls too, as they isolate and amplify your voice. Furthermore, for moments when you need peace and quiet, activate the noise cancellation mode. This mode minimizes any background noise, making them great for the office. On the other hand, power your workouts thanks to the 11.6mm dynamic driver, which delivers loud, clear bass and crystal clear lyrics. Plus, with the IPX4 rating, sweat won't faze these buds. Meanwhile, the Nothing Ear's generous 34-hour battery life reduces the frequency with which you must charge it. 1. Finally, weighing only 4.7 grams, Nothing created these buds to be lightweight for all day, everyday use. 9 products. Satechi charger is powered by gallium nitride. Charge your devices faster and in a more compact way with the Satechi 108W USB-C 3-port GAN wall charger. It uses gallium nitride technology, letting you charge up to 3 devices at one time. In fact, this next-gen technology delivers faster charging and improved power efficiency over silicon-based semiconductors. What's more, it comes with 3 USB-C PD ports. That way, it can support different configurations up to 108 watts. In fact, this charger can easily charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro or your iPad Air while you're out and about. And you can even keep working while your devices charge. Meanwhile, ETL and C certifications ensure this tech gadget's safe charging. Moreover, this charger has a sleek space gray design with a handy foldable plug for charging while you're out of the house. 10 products. Smart LED Twinkly Flex. Deck out your space with the Twinkly Flex Smart LED tube. This cool lighting tube actually connects to an app and voice assistants. So hey, Google and Alexa provide hands-free operation. And, in the app, you can manage your color settings any way you want. In fact, you can map this product and control each LED individually. What's more, you can choose from an array of pre-made effects and animations. Otherwise, you can even create your own from scratch. Each effect is customizable in terms of speed, brightness, color, and intensity with just a tap. Moreover, with a length of 6.5 feet, Twinkly Flex lets you twist and guide it into any shape you like. So, from a heart to a cactus, it lets you display your personality on the wall. Finally, you can even combine multiple Twinkly devices to create one gorgeous light